Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Resident Evil crashing. So there are a couple simple fixes. Let's get straight to it. So for the first fix, we are going to delete the hid.dll from Steam. Okay, so if you have Steam open here, just close it, and then you can see this down right, this arrow here, you'll see Steam open right here. Right click on it and exit Steam. Okay, that is how you cleanly shut down Steam completely. Okay, so once you've done that, you can see Steam here. Right click on it and then find for open file location. Click on that, and then here you're going to search for hid.dll. So the hid.dll is not necessary to have, so some users might not have it, some might have it, so it should be somewhere here. Okay, but I don't have it, so if you have it, just make sure. Okay, we'll take this game overlay renderer as a example as the HID. Okay, so if you have HID, make sure to copy this and then paste a backup right here, okay, on your desktop, and then you're going to go ahead and delete it. Okay, so delete the file, and then once you deleted it, reopen Steam and try to launch the game, and it should work. If Steam crashes and there's a lot of issues with Steam, you can just take this backup, this file that you just created, and paste it back into the location of where you deleted it, and Steam should be fine. So if that didn't fix it, let's move on to the next fix. Okay guys, for this fix, we are going to turn off frame generation for Resident Evil. So you're going to open Steam. Okay, and then you're going to go into library, and then you're going to find your Resident Evil. I don't have Resident Evil installed here because this is my virtual machine. So yeah, so you're just going to right click on Resident Evil and then go into manage, and then you're going to find browse local files here. Okay, click on that and it should open the installed area of the Resident Evil game. Okay, so once there, you'll see a folder pop up. It'll be on screen right now. You can find the config file. Okay, you're gonna right click the config file and open it as notepad. Okay, so open it as notepad, and then in notepad you're gonna control F, okay, and search for frame. Okay, and then you can see there frame gen will be there. It will be equals to on. Just delete the on and change it to off. Okay, and make sure you click on file on the top left corner of notepad and click on save. Okay, and then close that and try to launch the game. It should work. Okay guys, for this fix, we are going to set your default NVIDIA driver. Okay, so this is only applicable if you have an NVIDIA GPU. Okay, you're going to right click here and open the NVIDIA control panel. I don't have the NVIDIA control panel because I don't use an NVIDIA card. Okay, but if you're on Windows 11, you're going to right click and then you're going to go into show more options, and your NVIDIA control panel should be here. Okay, click on it and make sure you it will open. Okay, so once it's open, you're going to click on manage 3D settings right here in this picture. So in manage 3D settings, you're going to see top there select preferred GPU. So make sure that is selected to your graphics card and not your internal GPU. Okay, and then click on apply, restart your computer and try to launch the game. Okay guys, so for the final fix, this would be to reinstall or update your graphics driver. Okay, so I'm not going to go about that in this video as I have a dedicated video on it. You can click on this link right here. Okay, right here, this video, it's going to take you step by step on how to use DDU to uninstall your current driver cleanly, make a clean slate of your PC and reinstall the newest driver. Okay, so once that is done, the game should work fine. So that's all for this video guys, and yeah, hope it helped. Thanks for watching folks.